are some religion, there are some religion. Can you see three-digit number multiplied by 999? We use this trick. So the trick is, first write the